everyone. I'm pretty sure that by the title you have guessed it, and I am now a designer for Polkadoodles, you guys. OMG, you guys, I am so excited because I love their images. And I have to tell you that my favorite has to be the Winnie dolls. I think they are adorable, you guys, and if you haven't checked it out, I will have all of the Polkadoodles links in the description box, the store, Facebook group, Instagram. I will have a direct link to this. This is called the Serenity Fairy Wishes, and I think that's about it. So now I'd like to share with you this digital download that I got, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I have already made my very first project. If you haven't seen the save the date video, I will link it up there so you can check it out. There's a little sneak peek, and I made a really cute, I think, really awesome project using this paper collection right here. So this is all digital, you guys, and this is what I love about it, is that you can resize them, you can print as many as you want. And in this particular collection, it comes with 24 papers. I think, is it 24? Yeah, it's 24 of them. And you can see all the patterns right here. So let me show you really quickly. I didn't print every single one, but I did print some of them. And I only used one, and I don't even think I have it here, but it's so pretty. These are really nice. So, and obviously the colors go very well with the fairies, and also you get a total of 10 fairies. You get 10 colored stamps, and then you get 10 digital stamps. So you get them colored just like this, and if you're like me who can't color, this is perfect, you guys. Check out the website. You won't be disappointed, trust me. I want every single image they have. For now I started with this because I did have to work with a mystical theme, and I chose to do fairies. Our options were fairy, unicorns, or mermaids, and I chose fairies because the minute I saw these images I thought I have to have them. And then of course right there are the stamps that you can color. And so it comes with that. It comes with all of these paper sentiments right here. These are individual, and there's quite a bit of them. And then you get the tags, and I did print those out. Yeah, they're right here. And you can see that I did try using 2 of those. So there are a total of 10 fairies. Here are some of a couple of them, because this is the original size, and you can see that they're pretty big. This I made it into a smaller scale. You can see the comparison. See, that's what I like. This is what I'm talking about. I like that you can you know, resize them because they are digital form. And here is another set of them, and they're just so beautiful. And then I've used my brother's scanning cut to cut them out. I like that because they have a black border. It is easy to cut them out using that machine, and I do mention that already in my see, look at these 2 different sizes, you guys. And this one I chose to have no border, so, and this one has a white border. I do mention that in my video, and which will go up on Monday. So if you've seen Save the Date video, you know what I'm talking about. And look how beautiful they are, you guys. This is ready for me to use on any project. So also, I do have a coupon code for you to use. The code is Rosa15, and that will give you 15% off any download and any download kit, but it does not apply to anything that's already on sale. So if it's regular price, you it will give you the 15% off. And I will have all of this information in the description box, so go ahead and open it up so you can check out the store, check out this beautiful paper collection along with these colored images. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And I hope you like what I have made. Again, this video will go live on Monday, the 25th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. I want you to check out the store and tell me what was your favorite collection or your favorite image, because for sure there is going to be a favorite one that you have. For me, I think my favorite one is, honestly, I love anything with the Winnie girls. I think they are adorable. Oh my gosh, I have to show you something. I just got this in the mail the other day, so hold on. Look at this, you guys. Okay, so these are the Winnie girls, okay? And so, but oh my gosh, you guys, do you know what this is? These are dies, you guys. When the minute I saw these, I said I have to purchase them, and I got them earlier this week, and I am super excited. And look, they're pretty good size. I'll have a link to the girls. Okay, so this one is called the Winnie Ballerina. This one is called Miss Winnie, and this one is called Winnie Chic. So I'll have a direct link to each one of them in case you're interested. The coupon does not apply to these, but I mean, these are too cute to pass up, you guys. And I know there is a very limited amount of them right now, so if you really like them, I suggest you get them. Alright, so now I am done. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to leave me in the comments what was your favorite digital collection or digital image that you saw. And did I mention which one was mine? No, I did not. I think mine right now is it's Winnie, and she is in a hot air balloon, and it is just the cutest thing ever. I will link down below the link to the one that I'm talking about, so you know which one it is, because I think she's adorable. Also, there are other 2 designers here on YouTube, and I will have their links in the description box so you can check them out. Anyways, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.